Welcome members back to the channel. Just wanted to review my position on SCHD. Right now we have 1,865 shares. We're up $1,000. We have a cost basis of $27.42 and we have about 51,000 in the position. I'm going to break down the chart and where I'm looking to start selling off. Let me show you. SCHD, I always try to look on a larger time frame. As you can see, this says October, November, December, and now we're in 2025 of January. I do believe that this shows a nice indication of a double bottom, which you can see by this rectangle support here around $27. It bounced off $27 here. I'm trying to stay focused on the RSI now. As you zoom in here, you can see that the RSI is around 70. So looking at this position, I am hoping that we get a little more upside here because RSI of 70, I can't imagine we're going to get that much of a push. I'm going to start to take profits around this level right here. 28.25 in between 28.50, start to shed off some shares. So as you can see here, I believe we've had some resistance at these levels. And I just want to show you real quick. Looking right in here is where I start to see we're going to have psychological resistance here. Just because you had a little consolidation here, it sold off here. And then the 28.5 region is definitely going to be, just a psychological level that people will sell off. Now, I could be wrong. This could retest highs of all the way up to 29. But to get to 29, I need another 3 to 4% move. We're going to need a big market move there. Maybe Trump moving in to the office next week will be that catalyst. I'm not sure. I can't predict it. So I'm going to take some off the table. All I know is within last month, SCHD has had a beautiful move, a double bottom off the 27. And it's all the way up, over 5% right there. So for me, SCHD is not an individual stock that is going to, move 15% in one day. I do see other opportunities. There's one stock that I've been watching that I do think is going to have a big move soon, so I want to have some cash for it. Let me just show you real quick. We're going to bring up Costco. Costco sold off all the way after earnings from $1,000 down to about 900. So as a 10% pullback. When you look at this company, 10% may not seem a lot, but look at the trajectory it's been on. All it's done is go up. And the reason I like this is it is showing support on this ascending triangle right here. You can see right here, look at that. It's just following this. It has not broken this all year, even last year. It's just been following this trend. So I want to see if I can, look at that bounce right there. Look at that thin wick. So not a lot of sellers from 933 all the way down to 908. Now we're going to see, can we get that push back up? Try to get a position into Costco from like 930s. A push back up to about 980. That's 4 or 5%. Back up to 1,000 would be 7%. And Costco is definitely known to be a safe stock. And they definitely perform well over time. The portfolio is starting to shape up nicely. It's now at $58,000, which is awesome. Nike, we have $3,000 position in it. Celsius stock $1,500, Baba $833, Home Depot $1,500, which we are planning to add more, Starbucks almost $1,500, Tesla $500. FSPGX is the big part, around 80 to 82% of the portfolio, and then Google, which we want more shares, but I'm just going to wait until earnings comes out. It's $196 a share. If we can get a pullback, I'll start to buy. I want anything under 185, so definitely looking for that. This is the YouTube portfolio. We're planning to add more stocks to it, but right now the market is trading at all-time highs. We have to wait until we get some healthy pullbacks.